Niche Scraper Dropshipping Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to our review of Niche Scraper Dropshipping. Links to the product and additional resources are provided in the description below. Niche Scraper is an advanced product research and dropshipping tool that helps entrepreneurs find profitable products, analyze trends, and optimize their stores for success. It's built for dropshippers who want to take the guesswork out of product selection by providing powerful data-driven insights and an easy-to-use interface to discover top-selling products across various niches. One of the standout features of Niche Scraper is its Product Scraper tool. This feature allows you to search through thousands of products, filter by niche, sales volume, and social proof, and find trending items that are performing well in the market. With access to live data and up-to-date performance metrics, Niche Scraper helps you pinpoint winning products to sell in your store. The platform also includes a winning products feature that curates a list of top-selling items with proven track records, saving you time on research. Another valuable feature is the competitor research tool, which enables you to spy on successful dropshipping stores. You can analyze competitors' stores, see which products are generating the most revenue, and understand their marketing strategies. This can give you valuable insights into what's working in your niche and help you replicate their success. Niche Scraper also offers a Shopify store builder, which simplifies setting up your store by integrating with Shopify to import your products and automate many processes. Niche Scraper is perfect for both beginners and seasoned dropshippers who want to quickly identify profitable products and gain insights into what's trending. It's especially beneficial for those looking to break into new niches or fine-tune their product selection based on real-time data and performance metrics. In terms of strengths, Niche Scraper provides in-depth product research, competitor analysis, and automated features that streamline your dropshipping workflow. However, its weaknesses include a higher price point compared to other tools and a somewhat steep learning curve for beginners unfamiliar with product research. In conclusion, Niche Scraper is a powerful and comprehensive tool for dropshipping entrepreneurs looking to optimize product discovery and grow their stores. Despite a few drawbacks, its rich feature set and data-driven approach make it a valuable asset for serious dropshippers. Be sure to check the description for more information and to get started.